To be the teacher, a choice of purpose, privilege, and possibility. Good day, everyone. I stand before you today not just as someone who believes in education, but as someone who truly understands the power of choosing to be a teacher. When people ask, why teaching? I don't just answer with because I love kids or because I enjoy helping others. While those are true, they are only part of the society. To be a teacher is to take on one of society's most critical rules. It is to choose a path where rights, privilege, and benefits are tied not just to a paycheck but to purpose, impact, and legacy. Today, I want to talk about who choosing the teaching profession is more than just a career choice, it's a calling. And I want to focus on what it really means in terms of our rights, our privileges, and the benefits who receive not only professionally, but collectively as a society. So, part 1, the right to teach. Let's start with rights. When we speak about rights in education, we often think about the students' rights to learn, to be safe, to be heard. But what about the teachers' rights? Teachers have the right to teach with dignity. That means fair compensation, a safe working environment, and the freedom to use professional judgment. We are professionals and our voices matter in how education is safe. We have the right to be respected. For too long, the teaching profession has been undervalued despite the fact that every profession in the world starts in a classroom. Doctors, engineers, artists, and leaders, none of them get there without a teacher. Lighting the way. And importantly, we have the right to continue learning. Teachers are lifelong learners. We have the right to access professional development, training, and growth opportunities that empower us to grow just like we expect our students to. Being a teacher is not just a job, it is a profession with standards, rights, and responsibilities. And when these rights are upheld, our whole education system thrives. Part 2, the privilege of impact. Now, let's talk about privilege. Yes, you heard that right. Being a teacher is a privilege. It is a privilege to shape the minds of the next generation, to guide a student from confusion to confidence, to witness those moment when a child realizes they can do something they once thought was impossible. It is a privilege to be invited into students' lives, not just as educators, but as mentors, role models, and trusted adults. We have the privilege to influence lives beyond the curriculum. We teach more than math, science, or literature. We teach resilience, we teach empathy, we teach values. Think about it. Many people remember the name of at least one teacher who changed their lives. That is the kind of legacy this profession allows us to live. No other job offers this deep of human connection every single day. That is not a burden, it is a gift. Part 3. The benefits of being a teacher. Let's now talk about benefits because yes, teachers do benefit in powerful ways. So first, let's talk practically. Teachers receive stable employment, structure, career paths, healthcare, pension plans, and paid leave in most systems. There is also increasing advocacy for better pay and working conditions. And that momentum is growing. But beyond the paycheck, the benefits go deeper. Work-life alignment, many teaching schedules allow time for family, personal growth, or continuing education. Job security. Teachers are in demand around the world. There is a shortage of qualified educators. That means opportunities are invaluable and the profession is needed more than ever. Community respect. While society sometimes undervalues teaching, local communities often hold teachers in high regard. The trust given to a teacher is a benefits few careers can match. Fulfillment. There no app that replaces a human teacher. No machine can replicate the empathy, encouragement, and connection a teacher brings. That means we are in a profession that will always matter. And here's a secret benefit no one tells you about. You never stop growing as a person. Every student, every college, every lesson taught is also a lesson learned. So, why choose to be a teacher? Because it is a profession that demands excellence and gives back purpose. Because it offers the right to grow, the privilege to serve, and the benefit of making a difference. In a world filled with fleeting fame and changing careers, the teacher's path is steady, strong, and lasting. So, to those considering teaching, I say, step forward. You are not just choosing a job, you are choosing to build the future one student. one class, one lesson at a time. And that's all. Thank you.